How do you always get a ringer for specific contacts on the iPhone? So let me show you some ways, actually two ways how you can make it work. If you are new here, subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. So the first option is to set up a specific focus mode. So focus modes are like the types of settings which you set up for a specific activity or part of your day. You can find it in your settings when you find the focus mode literally, and there are different categories, as I said, like a great example is the focus mode for work. When you get inside, you can see that there you get to control which apps and which people can contact you during that mode. So you can, for example, allow only a selected few people to be able to call you, and everything else will be silenced during the work period, right? And you can always turn on the work mode in the control center, for example, every morning, and then you turn it off in the afternoon, and only the people you selected will have a ringer, will get a ringer, except for all of the other ones which are going to be silenced. So that's one way. Basically, many ways to customize it through the focus, but another way would be to get inside of your contacts app and find a specific person you want to apply to constantly. You would tap the edit button and as well go to the ringtone, and at the top of the list we have the bypass toggle, and that essentially means that this is going to allow sounds and vibrations from this person even if your phone is switched to silent. So this person gets like an exception from it, and they will always go through, and that's how you can set it up for one person. But in all occasions, it doesn't matter if you have any focus mode enabled or anything, it will always ring. So that's something I wanted to show you. Let me know what you think. Subscribe for more, and I hope to catch you later in the upcoming videos too.